Peter says, "Hello. Today I will be explaining our property system. Land in our server exists on 10 different planes split into plot by a 3-dimensional grid. You can use the map command to see each plane. Using the map command for the first time will grant you your first land for free. This will allow you to use the land buy command, which requires you to specify an already owned plot of land in order to purchase another plot nearby. You can check the details of any plot of land by using the land command followed by that plot's coordinates. This can also be used without the coordinates to check a list of all plots you own." You may be wondering, how can I benefit from owning land? The answer is simple. By constructing facilities on land you own, you can generate hourly revenue and other rewards depending on the type of building you make. This is a very complicated subject, so I will use a separate video to explain it. Peter says, "I hope you enjoy land management.